These AI dancing baby videos are going viral on Instagram and TikTok right now, pulling in millions of views and even earning creators real money. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to create these viral baby videos for any trending song using only free tools without paying a single coin. I will break everything down into 3 simple steps so even beginners can follow along. Step 1 is finding a trending dance video you want to recreate. Open TikTok and search for current dance trends. You will see many different options, so take your time and watch a few until you find a style you like. Once you pick one, open the video and copy its link. We copy the link because most TikTok videos are restricted from downloading, and even when downloads are allowed, they usually come with a watermark. After copying the link, open a web browser and search for Snaptic. This is a website that lets you download TikTok videos without the watermark. Paste the link, wait for the video to process, then download it to your device. This method also works for phone users. Step 2 is creating the baby image. For this, we are going to use ChatGPT. And it is always better to start with a reference image instead of prompting from scratch. Open Pinterest and search for baby photos to get inspiration. This one right here looks great, so I will select it and download it. Then go back to ChatGPT and upload your reference image. Ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me an image prompt to generate an image similar to this." You can tweak it for uniqueness by adding details such as, in this case, it should be a Ugandan girl. Then generate the prompt. You can also customize it for your culture by describing traditional clothing, or even upload a photo of yourself and ask ChatGPT to turn you into a baby character. Once the image prompt is ready, we need to turn it into an actual image using Nano Banana Pro. To access it for free, we will use a platform called Pipit AI. It gives free access to Nano Banana Pro and Dream 4.5. Paste your prompt, choose the aspect ratio of 9:16, which is perfect for Instagram and TikTok, then select up to 2K resolution. Hit generate and wait a few seconds. Just like that, your baby image is ready. The final step is converting this image into a dancing video, and for that we are using Higgsfield AI. I have put links to all the tools used in the description below. After logging in, click on Motion Control, and you will see that it offers free generations. Click here and upload your reference dance video first. Then upload the baby image you want to animate. For the resolution, choose the highest option for the best quality. Then hit Generate. Sometimes the platform gets overloaded because many people are using the free plan, so it might take a little longer to process. Once it finishes, your video is ready. Let's check it out. Just look at this. The facial expressions and body movements are smooth and accurate. I muted the audio here because of copyright issues, but you can sync it with trending music when you upload it to TikTok or Instagram. If this helped you, smash the like button so more creators can find it, and subscribe for more free AI workflows that actually make you money. Drop a comment if you want a part 2, where I show advanced tricks to make these go even more viral. All the tools are linked below, so go try it right now and start posting today.